Pros. With 4 facilities in Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia, Crate Pros has emerged as the leading crating and packaging company in the Southeastern U.S. Our 30,000 square foot Huntsville facility serves one of our most diverse and sophisticated customer bases, including space, defense, automotive, medical device, and industrial manufacturing. This is where our partners' most complex packaging challenges meet expert protective packaging solutions. In-house design and fabrication capabilities allow us to develop packaging solutions with our customers from idea to design to full production, testing, and certification. Protection begins inside the crate. Our in-house fabrication capabilities provide the ability to create necessary cushioning to isolate and protect sensitive items from shock and vibration. We build the perfect interior barrier for flawless arrival. Whether your packaging need is a single prototype crate or a high-volume production requirement, we handle it with the same attention to detail and professionalism your company deserves. As a government prime contractor for multiple Army and Navy contracts, we manufactured over 30,000 missile and igniter crates the last 2 years in compliance with AS 9100 and the performance-oriented packaging POP testing for hazmat packaging materials. We are equally working hand in hand with government agencies and manufacturers on single prototype crate designs, smaller volume production runs, and specialized logistics solutions with our experienced team of talented craftsmen who take enormous pride in the work they perform. Crate Pros offers vast capabilities and ensures meticulous quality control in all that we do. If you are looking for a world-class logistics partner to support your crating and shipping needs, we would be honored to earn your business.